Jamaica Bulletin Board presents Jamaica's Most Idiotic Thieves, the escape artist who got stuck. Welcome back to Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we bring you the news you need, the commentary you love, and the criminals who make the worst life choices. Today's episode, the man who tried to escape and failed miserably. Some people dream of freedom, others dream of riches, and then there's this guy who tried to escape custody like a stunt double in an action movie, except he wasn't built for the role. The setup: police arrested our unnamed genius on a serious charge. Locked up, but not locked down, he decided he was too clever for the system and plotted a daring getaway. He eyed a small ventilation space and thought, "Yeah, man, me can fit through dat." The execution, or lack thereof. Things started out fine. Our escapee wiggled into the space, pushing through like a magician escaping handcuffs. But halfway through, trouble start. Yeah man. Physics betrayed him as expected, considering his impossible science. Concrete refused to negotiate or agree to flex like rubber. His body said, "Boss, me can't go no further." His mind said, "Lord, if you don't go we a go stuck." His mind was finally right this time. And just like that, stuck. Firefighters arrived, probably expecting a genuine emergency, only to discover a grown man wedged into a wall like a lost puzzle piece. It took power tools, brute force, and a lot of chuckling, and trying not to laugh and look unprofessional to free Jamaica's least successful escape artist. Lessons learned: if you're not built like a contortionist, don't try ventilation escape tactics. The law might catch up to you, but basic physics will get you first. If firefighters have to rescue you before police can arrest you again, your criminal career is officially cancelled. Next up, the chicken thief who couldn't run. And, trust me, running is important when you want to go stealing chickens. Welcome back to Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we bring you the news, the laughs, and the criminals who make the worst life choices. This foolish man tried to steal chickens, but got betrayed by his own feet. Some criminals plan elaborate heists, others study security systems, and then there's this guy who thought he could outrun the police while carrying stolen chickens. Spoiler alert, he could not. And he was learning the wrong important stuff on the job. The setup: in Saint and Jamaica, a man decided he was going to be the next big poultry kingpin, or kidnapper, maybe. Or could we say kidnap if they were chickens? Whatever, that's mere semantics. Chicken nap, kidnap, or taking a nap, 6 of one and half a dozen of the other, according to a self-appraising genius of a dummy Jamaican protester the other day. The foul thief to be snuck onto a farm, grabbed and bagged several chickens, and made a run for it. The execution, or lack thereof. Now, here's where things went downhill, literally. Chickens are not lightweight when you're carrying a whole flock. Running with flapping, squawking birds is not a stealthy getaway strategy. And most importantly, gravity is undefeated. As he sprinted away, the weight of his feathery loot, fluttering rigorously, threw off his balance. He tripped over his own stolen chickens, hit the ground like a sack of yams or a featherless fowl, and before he could recover, chicken owners swooped in and arrested him on the spot, which is not the kind of arrest that thieving people want to face in the Jamaican jungle where justice resides. The aftermath. Now imagine the scene. The unprofessional thief flat on the ground, chickens scattering in every direction, probably judging him for his poor life choices, while he is begging not to be plucked that day. The police coming, laughing so hard, they probably had to take a moment before making the arrest. The farmer, watching from a distance, with his machete beneath his armpit, shaking his head like, "Me tell unu bout dem fool thief ya." The chicken betrayal. Let's talk about the real villains here, the chickens. Instead of cooperating with their new owner, they flapped wildly, making his escape 10 times harder. Lessons learned: if you're going to steal chickens, at least train for the getaway. Be professional. Chickens are not loyal, they will betray you mid-escape. If your crime ends with you face down in the dirt, just retire from criminal activity. That's it for now, folks. Remember to subscribe for more on Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we give you the news and commentaries with a dash of humor. Always remember to smile, for life is too serious to take seriously.